when I read a quote by Gandhiji which said, "The future of India lies in its villages." And it made me think. It made me think that with 70% of our 1.3 billion population, it is evident that India's survival is in the well-being of its villages. As a foundation, of course, we were doing work on the ground and augmenting the government's programs in water sanitation, education, skill development. And also there were many like the NGOs, CBOs and civil societies who are doing their work on the ground. But what we know is that a lot more needs to be done. And at a time like that, if we want more people to work in social development at the grassroots level, we cannot have significant contributions by individuals in the social sector go unnoticed. For every one individual who is making a difference on the ground, there are at least 10 others who are contemplating about how they should start, if at all they should start. And they need just that little nudge to embark on this noble journey. So we decided as an organization that if we could create a platform where we could get individuals to join the cause of giving back, speed and scalability of social programs on the ground would improve the well-being of the villages of our Odisha. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the genesis of the Shambhavi Puraskar.
The Bansidhar and Ila Panda Foundation is humbled that for its 4th Shambhavi Puraskar, they have found someone who has done incredible work, giving a beautiful example of innovation, sustainability, partnership and community participation. Shri Harishankar Raut's implementation of the micro hydroelectric project in the Dangarpadar village of the Mudibanda block has transformed the life of the villagers there. It has provided 24/7 electricity and given them drinking water, and thereafter he has gone ahead and worked on livelihood, health and other natural resource management projects. It is a commendable achievement and we are proud to have him on our list of awardees. After all, it is not about what you have achieved, but it's about what you've given back to society. And we hope, keeping with the theme of the Shambhavi Puraskar, that we are going to inspire and motivate many more to contribute to community development at the grassroots level, thereby improving the well-being of the villages of our Odisha.
Choosing a winner for the Shambhavi Award is no mean task. It involves the marathonian task of scrutinizing, shortlisting from each of the applicants' achievement on the basis of a set of criteria and parameters like sustainability, community participation, scale, innovation and beneficiaries, as well as overall impact. I applaud the foundation and its members for taking meticulous pains to maintain absolutely honesty and transparency in the process of selection. What sets Shambhavi Puraskar apart is the fact that it rewards upcoming social catalysts for their innovative ideas and excellence in implementation over those social workers who have already earned recognition. The Shambhavi Award is not only a recognition of contribution in social work, it provides incentive to the awardee for further innovative approaches as well as imposing the added responsibility of living up to the honor and expectation that any award demands.
समस्तଙ୍କ सामना को आनिथिबा पई मु बहुत निज समस्त मु धन्यवाद अर्पण करूछि एवं मु कहि पारुने जे मोर विगत 96-97 रो जर्नी सिविल सोसाइटी सहित आरंभ होइतला आज आसी पहुंची एवं एही रिकग्निशन काम मिली. इट इज नॉट ए इंडिविजुअल्स रिकग्निशन, इट्स माय टीम. सो आई विल थैंक्स माय टीम मेंबर. I thanks to the foundations and IMFA for giving and honoring me this evening.
We are thankful to you and we are honored by your presence only. Our wish, this award which you have given, this will inspire you further and your work will get multiplied, will get scaled up. That's only our expectation.
I would like to borrow Denzel Washington's words, which express what I believe. At the end of the day, it's not what you've got. It's not about what you've accomplished. It's about who you've lifted. It's about who you've made better. Basically, it's about what you've given back.
Today, giving back to the society is a stage ahead. Even thinking to give back to the society is very difficult. And that is exactly the environment which exists today. Doing is later. Even thinking to be caring is very difficult today. It's very difficult even to think that you can care for others because that is not visible in the society today. Today, in 2014, not very late, if you decided to give something back to the society, thank you, much more should happen.
One of the co-founder, Mrs. Panda, is the student of Vishwabharati. So what could be honor for me to understand and to know that one of the student of Vishwabharati is the co-founder of this foundation. Now this foundation has quite tremendous activities. Either it's a health sector, water, education, entrepreneurship, as well as livelihood. What else could be better than combining of all of them together? And as Tagore believed in humans, Tagore believed in future development, in spite of all stresses, even during the Second World War, before even he dies, he wrote that article of Crisis of Civilization in the last 3 months before his death. And in that Crisis of Civilization, he believed in future humans and believed in the next generation. So he believed on us and for future. So this kind of foundation activities and the selected member who are selected for this award or for the future probably would make a big differences. We have to hope and believe that we'll have definitely a better tomorrow.
I thank the Banshidhar and Ila Panda Foundation, again particularly CEO Mrs. Sefalika Panda for instituting this innovative award in recognition of those who work silently and dedicate their lives to the cause of human upliftment and who continue to instill in others the faith in human goodness.
It's a time for everyone. All of you look bright, smart, well-fed. It's time to give back to the society now.